Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how do you change the currency on your Fiverr account. So firstly, Fiverr usually currency is usually Fiverr decides the currency based on your location and when you while you're creating the accounts depending on your location where you're based then the currency is displayed depending on your location. That's how Fiverr gets it from. Okay, so depending on which country you're from. So yeah, so let's get into Fiverr website. So I'm here logged into my account here on Fiverr. So okay, if you can see here, like if I look at any gig here, so it's giving me in Indian rupees because at the moment I'm based in India. So here it says in Indian rupees. So what I'm going to do is I want to change this. So what you have to do is once you're logged in, click on your profile function and then click on underneath here you'll see the under English you'll see your like for me it says INR which is Indian rupees. For you it should say wherever country you're based on. For example, if you're from Australia it should say Australian dollars. So click on that currency there. So click on it and here is where you can choose whatever currency that you want to. So for example, at the moment it's Indian rupees, but I don't want this, so I want to change it to probably a different one. Maybe go I'll just go for okay US dollars. View it in US dollars. So click on US dollars, and now it should. Okay, now it's going to refresh. Alright. So once the page is refreshed, okay, now see I can see all now in US dollars. So everything is now in US dollars. And suppose if you want to change it back again, so it's the same procedure. Go click on these US dollars. See at the moment it says US dollars, so click on US dollars and then you can change it back to whatever currency you want to. Hope this video is helpful and I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.